We're in the car and the boys have no idea where we're going. And we're about to tell them right now. Go ahead.
We're going to the beach.
How are we going to the beach if we don't have our stuff?
See, Mommy and Daddy planned ahead. Your stuff's in the back. That's why we don't want you to look in the back.
You tricked us!
No, we just didn't tell you anything.
I asked Daddy if we were going to the beach, and he said, why wouldn't we go to the beach?
Well, he asked you a question because you asked him a question.
I didn't say we weren't going to the beach. I just asked why would we go to the beach?
Our stuff's in the back right now.
Yep. I think Shane's mad.
Hanging out for the day, and I'm waiting for all three of them to come back from the bathroom. There's the little one, and the other one's walking slowly. Oh no, thank you. Just a little family day out. Just to let you know, I don't get into the ocean. I stick my toes in it. That's about it. That's Michael. He's the oldest. That's Alexander. That's the middle one.
How do you open this?
And that's Alan. About what we did for saving money. I made everyone their own little bags here with a sandwich, some chips, and little goodies. And the boys had like 2 juices apiece, plus they had their little canteen of water. Yeah, we're just hanging out, and I brought everyone's little hat umbrellas that go on their head. Go down there until your daddy gets back.
Can we just get some wet sand?
Nope.
Please. Please, Mommy. There's a lot of sand on your battery. Mommy, can we please get some wet sand? How much sand? Can we please get some wet sand? Mommy, can we please get some wet sand?
No, you can wait till your daddy gets back.
Shit, can you use your hands and wipe on my back while I do the front?